Good morning. We are heading out on the boat today. Been a minute. Very much excited about this. Brought the drone. Anxious to do a little swimming. Hopefully see some wildlife. Look at that sundog, baby. Very cool perihelion today. Oldest recorded symbol for humanity trying to convey the concept of God, also known as a circumpunct, or the symbol for target. That is probably one of the cooler things I've ever seen. Life is about contrast, friends. Gator beat. Perfect hammock place right here. If you're like me and you work too much, because what else is there to do while we wait on the rest of humanity to wake up and get on the same page so that we could actually have a civilization again, then it's very important that you get yourself out into nature and absorb vitamin D through your skin and breathe fresh oxygen from the plants and let your aura open up. When you get out into nature, that's the effect it has on you. Your aura, the ethereal component to your existence, will expand when you're in nature. And then it is my personal theory that nature acts kind of like a dragnet. As you walk out in nature, anything that doesn't belong in your experience of life that is having a negative effect on you, maybe leaching energy from you or bringing you down, it'll get extracted from your aura while you're walking through nature. And it's just gorgeous, even if you don't want to get deep and philosophical about it. It's relaxing, it's gorgeous, and it's something that we're kind of largely disconnected from. So take yourself out, reconnect. Namaste. I shit on your back. This was a rough ride. Okay. This giant light. This would have been Fort Dade's artillery battery, and it would have been the first line of defense for Tampa Bay against invading naval forces. That would have been back when we had a legitimate federal government that cared about the country being invaded and preventing that, as opposed to today where the federal government is the one facilitating the invasion. Some kind of a lift here to send the shells up to the battery up top. And this is where they would have stored the shells. In the shell room. There's a little mouse or something. If you're ever in Florida, St. Pete, Tampa area, rent a boat and come out to Edgemont Key. The water is gorgeous, the beaches are spectacular, and it's a gorgeous area to be. Namaste.